Hi everyone, let us start creating a three-story house. This is based on the Autodesk Revit 2024 tutorial, and its main objectives are creating a project from a template, renaming default levels and modifying level elevations, adding a level by specifying the level start and end points, adding a level by offsetting the elevation from an existing level. First of all, let's open Revit 2024. And under Models, you click New. In the dialog box, click Browse and find a template that's specific to your project. In my project, I will choose Default US Canada. Default US Canada and open. Click OK. And I usually make reference lines to determine the middle of my working space. So under Architecture, you go to Reference Plane and then make a reference line, a vertical reference line, and a horizontal reference line. Since I have a pre-made plan, I will click Insert and then Import Image and insert the ground floor. Let it be ground floor and put it in the middle and I make an estimated reference lines for my walls based on the ground floor plan. This is not scaled, so I will put my floor plan grids. So under Architecture and in Datum area, you go click Grid and estimate where your columns will go. Grid is also a guide to the positions of your columns, and as my teacher in Revit say, it is a guide for contractors and builders to determine where to start the construction of the project. So I made my vertical grid with a default numbers on it. And when you start doing the horizontal grid, it will continue the number, but in order to classify from the horizontal to the vertical, we will change the number to letters. and then continue doing the horizontal grids. Click escape twice and select the image and move it away from the grid. And after this, we will modify the project levels. So in the project browser, under elevations, you click south and you can see that the two levels are already created in the project template. And then we zoom into the level labels and values on the right. You can use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out, as stated in Autodesk 2024 tutorial. Under architecture, you can click level and add more levels. Since my house is a 3-story house, I have to add 3 more levels from level 2, and the height will be 3000 millimeter for each one of them. And my house will also have a basement, so I will put another level under level 1 with a height of 2800 millimeter. Press escape twice and zoom in and out. I will rename this into a basement level. Level 1 as click yes. Level 1 as the ground floor. Level 2 as second floor. Level 3 as the third floor. And the level 4 as the roof. And it turns out we don't need level 5. So I just gotta have to delete that. And change the height of level ground floor to second floor. Change it to 3000. And the third floor should be 6,000. And the roof, third to the roof, should be 9,000 millimeter. Click one of the vertical grid, push it up, and it basically goes with everybody goes wherever the vertical grid you clicked. You push it up, and every one of the vertical grid goes with it, as well as the bottom. I think that's it. We added levels. We added the floor plans, and we set up our project. Next, we're gonna go define the distance between columns and start our foundation plan. See you next time.